Hey there. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing video of this. I've got a lot of knives, and I've got one of those Work Sharp precision adjust sharpeners, which I've used a couple times. It works pretty well. And I like it, but the more I've done research and watched videos online, it sounds like you need something to strop and be able to strop and hone during your in between actual sharpenings. So I thought I would give this a try. I looked around. I think there's probably some other strops that are out there, and to be quite honest, I think you'd just be fine with an old leather belt and some stropping compound. But at any rate, I mean, I kind of like Ben Peterson. I've followed him for several years back when he was at Blade HQ and all that. Not everything he does is necessarily my style, but he's done a lot for the people who like pocket knives. And he seems to be doing pretty well for himself. So I looked at a bunch of different leather strops, and I thought, shoot, I'll just, they're all pretty much the same price. I thought I'll just support him a little bit. I haven't really bought anything from Knafs before, so thought, shoot, if I'm going to throw my money somewhere, might as well throw it at him. He's giving a lot back to the community, it seems like. So at any rate, I wanted to do a quick unboxing of this so you can kind of see what you get when you order one of these. So here's the box, a little bit of dog hair on there. Their branding, is really good. You always know that that's what you're looking at when you see one of their products. And you get some quick, instructions here. Yeah, on the package, which is pretty cool. So that's what you got. I think I will use the old, I just got these two laying here. So this is my Para 3, Spyderco Para 3 Light. And I've got the AWT bronze anodized aluminum scales on it, which I really like. This blade still's okay. This is actually one of the knives that I really want to strop once I get this thing going. So, all right. So that's one thing I've talked about as I'm pulling this out. One thing I've talked about is anytime I watch an unboxing online, something like that, somebody whips out their knife, I'm like, what was that? And they don't hold it there long enough for me to see. So I thought I would always try to show what I'm using there. So this is it. I mean, pretty simple. Just a piece of leather with a little eyelet in it, little metal grommet or whatever you want to call it, and some stropping compound. That's what you get. Doesn't get much simpler than that, but so I'll show some close-ups here of the wonderful craftsmanship. Just a piece of leather. It's got their little logo in it. Got the rough outside and the smooth side. So like I said, I'll spend a little time with this, maybe do another video on it. Who knows? Just, kind of what I've been trying to do is show people up close and personal what you're actually going to get when you order some of these products. So you can make a little bit better informed decision about what you're going to spend your hard-earned cash on. So I will link this in the description probably, and that way it's easy for you to get to. Obviously, don't have any affiliate links at this point, and if you got any questions or anything on it, just feel free to ask. I'll try to do my best to answer anything you got. I don't know what questions you'd have on this. It's pretty simple and straightforward, but happy to help however I can. That's the whole point of this. So thanks for watching.